YouTubers? Alright, so I know that we were talking about, I don't know, maybe a couple months ago, all the camping gear that I got. And today is the day, of course. In all camping fashion, you can't camp without a rainstorm. So I'm actually sitting in the Vevor Gazebo, gazebo tent, whatever you want to call it, and it's really coming down. So so far things are going good. I used this already twice this year, and you know, trying to put it through its paces, but right now it's coming down really hard and it's working out nice. I'll turn it around here and see what I can show you. See, I got the screen up on this side, just open for the doorway. It's really coming down good, but I actually have all the panels up around here. Let me grab my light. See this panels up, and no rain inside here. So far so good. No rain, but as you can hear, it's coming down pretty good. So Vevor Gazebo 10-quarter, working good so far. Yay! Thunder and lightning and all that good stuff.
Hey.
Yes?
I need to know if the controller's working.
Hey, the good thing is, we're dry. Super dry. Rain, rain, rain. No leaks. No leaks so far. Yeah, it's coming down pretty good now. Yeah, buddy. Dry as a bone in here, though. Vevor. Yeah, boy. Yeah. Well, guess we'll just wait and hunker down and just wait, see what happens. I got the gazelle over there, and that's where all my sleeping stuff is, so we'll see how that goes. I got that open, but you know, I'm gonna stay here and have a couple more Teddy Brewskis and we'll go from there. But so far I'm staying dry. What about you, Rach? You staying dry?
I'm dry.
You dry? And it's really coming down. I think there's more cats and dogs pounding on the top of this thing, but good. Good so far. Camping Adventure 2025. Geneva on the Lake. Oh.